Guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we'll be having another edition of it again tonight, and of course we will be doing that together. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, as for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's do that together. Okay, so we will be starting with boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. Right from this resistance zone, okay, this particular asset actually started a downtrend. Right from there you can see the red flag and the red arrows. Okay, so this kept on going down, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it's more of a downtrend than an uptrend. It has gotten to another support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. However, this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so it might not sell for long. Okay, so you should take note of that. It might not sell for long. Okay, so most especially if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back into a buy trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right here. This is boom 500. It's actually more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but the direction of the market is more of a downtrend than an uptrend, and it is still selling at the moment, just breaking out from here, and of course it will be heading towards this particular support zone. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us a selling opportunity right now than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check that out together. This is crash 1000. It started a downtrend right from here. That is why we got this red flag and the red arrow. It kept on selling, got to this support zone, had a pullback, but went back down again to get to this support zone. Okay, after getting there, it bought for a while but was unable to break out from this resistance zone, so it decided to sell again. It has gotten to the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time because it is already very close to the support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and of course the next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It had been on downtrend right from the resistance zone. It kept on selling until it got to this support zone. Okay, and of course if it's unable to break out from there to go back into a buy trend, but if it breaks out it will keep on selling, so we need to take note of that. Okay, and it means that it might not be selling for a very long time because it is already at the support zones, which means this might find it difficult. I mean, it's possible for it to change the direction of the trend right from here, okay, into a buy trend, but you need to wait for the necessary signals before you go fully into it. Now the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Volatility 75 was on uptrend before, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend from there, and of course it sold till it got to this support zone. After getting here, it had a major pullback, but it was unable to go above this resistance zone, so it started selling again, and it will be trying out this support zone again to see if it will break out below it or not. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, share there, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.